West Sussex project is incredibly important for us as a business, but also for society. A hugely ambitious project. We think it's one of the biggest projects in the world. Certainly it's the biggest project in the UK. EV charging is really accessible at the moment if you have a driveway, but if you don't have a driveway, you're reliant on public charging infrastructure and you don't have that same level of convenience. This project is all about trying to provide that convenience, reliability and affordability of EV charging.
The EV charging infrastructure, and particularly the on-road infrastructure, is absolutely critical to our ambitions towards focusing on a carbon neutral by 2030. So, we want to promote people buying electric vehicles. So to enable that on-street parking is a real key to giving people confidence that they can make these purchases knowing that they can charge their vehicles.
We started thinking about electric vehicles in 2013, realising that the cost of fuels were going to go up, and we've saved a couple of £1,000 on fuel. Having a charge point in the community that's a couple of minutes away is perfect. It just makes it a more level playing field for us, where people who do have driveways have that option, we don't.
We have lots of residents that were interested in purchasing electric vehicles but didn't have off-street parking available to them. It's been immense. We had some public engagement. We've got a website. We've also opened it up to our parish councils, village halls, community centres, and that's had a huge response. They're really excited because many of them haven't got the sort of in-house expertise to actually install these charge points.
Yay!